Until the Dawn is a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance. You're going to start by walking forward 2 walks, leading with the right, right, left, right, left. You're going to do a right shuffle forward, right shuffle, forward rock onto the left, recover onto the right. Okay, let's put that together from the beginning. 2 walks forward, leading with the right. Ready, and right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock. The weight is now in the right. You're going to look over your left shoulder as you make a left shuffle to the back wall. So there's a half shuffle, stepping left, close left, and you're now facing 6 o'clock. Okay, so we'll add that on from the beginning. Walking forward, right, left. Ready, and right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, left shuffle to the back. Now the weight's on the left. Walking forward, right, left, and a forward shuffle, forward shuffle, forward rock, walk forward onto the left, recover onto the right. This time, instead of making a half shuffle, we're going to make a quarter shuffle, looking over your left shoulder to 3 o'clock, left, close, left. So now you're facing 3 o'clock. Okay, so let's add that on from the beginning. Walking forward, right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, shuffle to the back, right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, quarter shuffle to the side. Okay, let's do it again. Ready, and walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, left shuffle to the back, walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, shuffle to the 3 o'clock wall. From there, you're going to go into a 3 count weave with a point on the end. So you're going to step the right across, left to the side, right behind, that's your weave, and then point the left out to the side. Okay, so I'm just going to show you facing 12 o'clock. You step cross, side, behind, point. Okay, we did that facing 3 o'clock. So I'll add that on from the beginning. Walking forward, ready, and right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, left, shuffle to the back, walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, left, shuffle to the side, cross, side, behind, point. Okay, from here we're going to do a weave to the right, this time a 4 count weave. So there's no point in this one. So we're taking the left across, cross, side, behind, side. So you're stepping the right down to the side. Okay, so I'll just show you facing the front. Your first weave was with a point, stepping cross, side, behind, point. Your second weave, 4 counts, no point, cross, side, behind, side, stepping down on the right. Okay, so you'll be doing that facing 3 o'clock. So let's do those 2 weaves. Weight in the left, ready to take the right across, facing 3 o'clock, ready, and cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side. Let's add that on from the beginning. 2 walks forward, ready, and right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle to the back, walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, left shuffle to the side, weave, cross, side, behind, point, weave, cross, side, behind, side. Let's do it again from the top. Ready, and walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, left shuffle to the back, walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, left shuffle to the side, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side. Weights in the right, you're going to do a cross rock chassé, so cross left over right, recover onto the right, and a chassé, side, close, side. Then you finish with a jazz box, turning a quarter turn to 6 o'clock, to your second wall. Stepping, cross, back, turn, together. Okay, so the footwork for the jazz box, without a turn, if you remember, is cross, back, side, together. If we want to put a quarter turn in, the footwork stays the same. You just turn your head and shoulders a quarter turn on the side step, cross, back, side, together, and that helps you to make the quarter turn. So we'll be doing the jazz box from 3 o'clock and it will turn to 6 o'clock, stepping, cross, back, side, together. All the way in the left, when you finish that jazz box, to make sure you're ready to start the back wall, leading with the right leg. Okay? So we go from the weave with a point. So you're facing 3 o'clock, weight in the left, take right over left for your weave with a point. Ready? And cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, side, turning jazz, cross, back, turn, together. Weight in the left. Okay? Let's take it from the beginning. Walking 2 walks forward, leading with the right. Ready? And right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, half shuffle, walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, quarter shuffle, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, side, turning jazz, cross, back, side, together. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Now let's do the back wall. Walking forward, right, left, ready, and walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward rock, shuffle, looking over your left shoulder, half shuffle, walk right, left, forward, shuffle, forward, rock, quarter shuffle, weave with a point, cross, side, behind, point, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross rock chassé, cross, rock, side, close, side. Now you're turning jazz to 12 o'clock, cross, back, side, together. Okay, so let's do the back wall again. Facing 6 o'clock, leading with your right, 2 walks and a forward shuffle. Ready, and walk right, left, forward shuffle, forward rock, shuffle to the front, walk right, left, forward shuffle, forward rock, quarter shuffle to 9, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, side, jazz, cross, back, turn, together. Okay, let's do the back wall again. Ready, and walk right, left, forward shuffle, forward rock, shuffle to the front, walk right, left, forward shuffle, forward rock, shuffle to the side, weave cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side, close, side, jazz, cross, back, turn, together. Now let's practice linking the end with the beginning. So at the end of the second wall, you will be facing 9 o'clock to do that turning jazz back to 12 o'clock. Stepping the right across, ready, and cross, back, side, together, weight in the left, walk forward, right, left, forward, shuffle. So let's take that again from the jazz box, facing 9 o'clock, ready, and cross, back, turn, together, walk right, left, forward, shuffle. This is really important to remember that you start the dance walking forward 2 walks, leading with the right. Now let's take the 2 walls together without stopping. Leading with your right, 2 walks, ready, and right, left, forward shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle to the back, right, left, forward shuffle, forward rock, quarter shuffle to the side, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side close, side jazz, cross, back, turn, together, walk, right, left, forward shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle to the front, right, left, forward shuffle, forward rock, quarter shuffle to the side, weave, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, side close, side jazz, cross, back, turn, together. Let's go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3.4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Jazz 5, 6, 7, 8.